Yes, I'm a big fan of customer care because I was in the service business for 23 years. And serving customers is an art because ultimately you just, again, it all drives around happiness. And a customer wants to be happy with a service that they get or a product that they buy. And so when I look at customer care, I look at it as a process from end to end of getting a customer happy and therefore loyal. And loyalty is the key these days. People spend a lot of marketing dollars trying to get customers, and they discount and they do all types of things. But what really builds loyalty? What really builds loyalty is that relationship that a company has with that customer. And how that relationship is built is critically important. Now, what I do in my practice now is come up with ways for companies to actually look at that process from beginning to end of serving a customer. And then there's an added thing. Then asking the customer about that process. Are they happy? Let's ask them that question. And then let's put that question on a scale, which I use a technique called the Net Promoter Score, which is a commonly used thing. I didn't create it, but I love it because it asks the customer one essential question. On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely would you be to recommend this product or service to a friend or a relative? So I have a callback program. Our company has a callback program where we call customers a certain amount of time after a transaction. And we ask them about the process. And we ask them if they were happy. And we ask them how it was good and how it was bad and how we can improve it. And that feedback loop comes right back into an organization. And I also take a look at the processes that the organization have, the actual path from service creation to delivery, and say, well, what parts of those paths are most important to customers? And what can we change? And what can we modify to really optimize that experience for the customer? Because ultimately what we want is to have as many customers as happy with that product as possible. And therefore, they will be loyal. And then they will scream to the rooftops to all their friends and relatives, wow, this is a great company. This is a great product. Go out and buy it. That is the best kind of marketing you could ever ask for. And that is really the core of